Places of natural beauty. With a fascinating mixture of history and natural beauty, here are two perfect places to go for a trip in Kazakhstan. Turgan Waterfalls is a beautiful area located in the Trans-Ili Alatau area of the Tian Shan Mountains. Around 70 kilometers east of Almaty, it is surrounded by thick forests and green meadows. There are beautiful coniferous forests full of pretty flowers, as well as natural springs and waterfalls. Less than 20 kilometers away from Turgan Waterfalls is the famous Lake Issyk. With its amazing turquoise blue waters, the lake is nestled between tall mountains, 1,760 meters above sea level. It was formed over 8,000 years ago, when a huge avalanche created a 300-meter dam. In 1963, another avalanche destroyed the dam, draining the lake and flooding the nearby city of Issyk. These days, the lake has been restored for people to enjoy again. It's a popular destination for locals and tourists to hang out, have picnics, or go camping. The best time to witness the majestic beauty and the breathtaking view of Lake Issyk and the Turgan Waterfalls is in August and September. So start planning your trip now.